Hi Year 1, how are you doing? This is your maths lesson and it's week 4, lesson 3. Have you played Times Tables Rockstars? I hope so. Then you need to have a look at the beanbag maths game. Your warm-up today is beanbag maths. So if you've been wondering what the chalk was for that you picked up on Thursday, this is what it's for. Get yourself outside and draw some circles. And it's up to you what numbers you put in each circle. You might just want to use small numbers, less than 10. You could use multiples of 10 or multiples of 5. Up to you, but you're going to have to add these numbers together, so think before you start. If you haven't got a beanbag, don't worry. You can use the dog's toys, or the cat's toys, or one of your soft cuddly toys. Even just a sock stuffed with some paper would do. Throw your beanbag or soft cuddly toy into one of the circles. Throw another soft toy into a circle and add up the scores. Can your partner beat you? If you prefer, you could throw 3 objects and add 3 numbers together. Play for about 5 minutes. Who can be the champion? If you don't want to go outside, you could always draw on paper like this. Remember, you choose the numbers that go in the circles, and you can play a tiddlywinks game. If you don't have counters, you can just use pennies. Take 1 penny and try to flick it into one of the circles. Add up your scores just as you would if you were playing outside. Don't forget, you can also keep playing all the games like Hit the Button and all the games on Top Marks to get you really quick with your basic maths recall. It's all about practice, 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 so all those figures and facts are in your head. Then you're really ready for year 2. Now for the main part of the lesson. We're going to be adding and subtracting 10 from 2 and 3 digit numbers. Now we're going to use the spider shop today to help us with our objective. Now the blue prices are going to have to change. They took the spider longer than she thought to make, so the price needs to increase by 10p. But the orange prices, they need reducing by 10p. They're in a sale because they've been there for so long. Let's look at the 45p web. Remember, that needs increasing by 10p. It took us so long to make. Let's get 45p out to start with. So we need 10, 20, 30, 40. 4 tens. This is showing us it's 4 tens, look. But then we need the 5 ones. Okay, let's increase the price by 10p. How much have we got now? What is 45p add 10p? Look, the ones stay the same. We didn't add any ones. So we know we've still got 5 ones, 5p. But now the 4 tens has changed to 5 tens. So we've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 5. 55p. Remember, on the 100 square, you just go down a line to add 10. Like so. What about the web that originally cost 78p? If the price goes up by 10p, how much will it be now? Let's reduce the price of this 34p web by 10p. So, what's 34 take away 10? Here's my 34p, look. 10, 20, 30, the 3 tens, and 1, 2, 3, 4, the 4p. But let's take 10p away. We're not taking any units away, any ones, so they stay the same. So now we've got 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Let's take a look on that 100 square. The spider starts at 34p and reduces the price by 10p by going up the column. Remember, the units are staying the same, it's just the tens that have changed. 3 tens have become 2 tens. How much would the 72p web become in the sale? Now get your whiteboards out and your whiteboard pens and write down a sum to show me what price the 58p web would become. Remember, you're reducing this by 10p, making a smaller number. What subtraction sum would you need to make this web 10p cheaper? Write it on your whiteboard, work out the answer. What calculation do you need to make this 10p more expensive? Write it down and work it out. How about making the 89p web 10p dearer? Next, get your dice and shake it twice to create a 2-digit number. So I've got 6 and 1. I'm going to make 61. So, on your square paper, you can record the number you create in the middle of your page. Then think what 10 less would be and record it on this side, and what 10 more would be and record it on that side, as if you were doing a number line. Shake your dice again, create another 2-digit number and do the same again. Can you do 10 of those? For some extension work, you could generate a 3-digit number in the middle instead. There's also an extension game for you in the emergency folder. You're going to need your number cards again that you've used before. All the instructions to play are in that folder. And you might want to use your 100 square to help as well. The instructions look like this. You all need to have a go at this page as well, please, boys. How did you get on with page 16? I bet some of you whizzed through it. Don't worry if you found it a bit tricky. Practice makes perfect. I will see you tomorrow. Keep working hard, boys. I'm really proud of you. You're doing so well. Bye.